Good morning, children. This is your computer teacher Amrita Banerjee. Children, in the last video, we have seen how we can create table in LibreOffice Base using Table Wizard. Now, children, we will learn how to create table using your design view. Okay, so children, in design view, we do not have any inbuilt table or field like your wizard. We will have to enter the table manually. Okay, so we will just see children, when you will click on the table and when you will choose this option, create table using design view. Okay, then we will be switched on to such a interface where you are supposed to fill the field names manually, and then you will decide their field type as per your convenience. You have to set it as character or numeric or decimal or anything. Okay, so you will be entering the fields name as in manually, and this way you will decide the field type, and this way children your field will look like. Okay, this way your table will look like after getting created. And children, of course, like we will have to set a primary key also. So for that primary key option, children, the key of fin symbol will be present with the field name which we have set as primary key. So children, over here in the field properties, like we have learned that we have to specify the length, how much length the data we will be entering, then what decimal places, to which decimal places the numerical value should be entered, if will there be any default value or not for any field, then we require any entry, yes or no, then format it is specially for what kind of format, like sub date format or time format. So this property is useful for those fields as in. Okay, and then we have a help area. That means it will help you to specify, like if you are setting the property, then it may give you a help that id is always numeric. If you are going to enter some character, then it will give you a message that id is always numeric. So these are your help properties. So children, after you have created manually your table in this design view. So children, at the bottom you can see that these are your field entries properties which we are just now discussing, like entry required or not, default property, and format. It has got hidden under this. I will just show you in the next pic. See over here. So children, in that wizard one, we were getting one window, separate window to set the type and format. Here we are getting at the bottom itself to specify all these. Okay, in the design view, so we can specify it over here very easily. After that children, we can set the primary key this way. So when we will set the primary key, the key symbol will be appearing. This I have already shown you, isn't it? And you have also seen how we are supposed to set the primary key. Okay, the same thing we have. We can click on that automatic primary key. So automatically the ID field will be set as your primary key. So children, after that we have few options, like once your table structure is created, you have the option to cut the selected row, or to copy some selected row, to paste, to delete, or to insert. Okay, so these all are available in this file menu. You have this file. In this, all these options are available and you can use them as per your convenience. Okay, so you can use those properties, as in, sorry, the options, to add a row or to delete a row or to anything as per the table requirement. Then children, next we have in the edit option, we have the properties, like, sorry, we have the options to move our field, to cut some field, to cut some value from here and paste it at the bottom, or we want to move this field name to come in the second place, so that also we can do. So all these are available in this edit option, children. Okay, moving the field, copying, inserting. And then once our table is ready, we are supposed to save the table. So we will have to go to file menu again. We will have to click on the save option. It will ask a name for the table. We will specify the name and then we will click on OK. And this way the table will get created in your design view, children. Okay, so hope it is easy. Now children, here we are completing with the explanation of your chapter number 2. I hope you have understood the chapter. If you have not got anything, I would request kindly go through the video again. Okay, so it will help you to understand each and every concept. Thank you so much, children.